In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TradingView on a Mac. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, having a reliable platform like TradingView on your computer is essential. So, let's dive into the process of getting this fantastic tool up and running on your Mac. Start by opening your preferred browser. It might be Chrome, Safari, or whatever you typically use. You'll want to go to Google. Once you're there, it's time to search for TradingView Download Mac. This search will help you find the correct page for downloading the application tailored for your macOS. As you look through the search results, you'll want to click on the link for the TradingView desktop application. This is the official page and will be your direct source to download the software safely and securely. Navigating directly to the source is always a good practice to ensure you're downloading the most current and genuine version of the app. Once you're on the TradingView desktop page, you'll notice different options tailored for various operating systems. For this step, your focus will naturally be on the Mac version. Look for the button or link labeled for macOS and click on it. This is where the download begins, and the file will start saving to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser is set to save new files. During this time, it's a good idea to ensure that your internet connection is stable for a smooth and quick download process. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. You'll likely see a DMG file, which is standard for Mac installations. Double-click on this file, and it should prompt the installation process to begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to install TradingView on your Mac. This process typically involves dragging the TradingView icon into your Applications folder. Macs make this process intuitive, often guiding you with visual cues, so just follow along with what it prompts you to do. After the installation, you'll want to open your Applications folder and launch TradingView. You might be asked to verify the app before opening it for the first time. If you're prompted, you can usually find this option in your system preferences under Security and Privacy. Just click Open Anyway if you encounter this step. This is a security feature from macOS to verify apps downloaded from the internet. Congratulations! You now have TradingView installed on your Mac, ready to help you track markets and make informed trading decisions. Enjoy exploring its features and using this powerful tool to enhance your trading experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips. Happy trading!